Zoroastrian monk, is considered to be the founder of modern genetics and inheritance through his experiments with pea plants. In the 1850s, he decided to run an experiment to better understand what kept species distinct and what made it possible for hybrids to form. He bred thousands of pea plants and recorded how traits were passed on from one generation to the next.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on this farm he had some sheep
E-I-E-I-O.
with a
Baby here and a baby there. Here a bear. There a bear. Everywhere a baby.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Bah.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on this farm he had some sheep
E-I-E-I-O.
with a
Baby here and a baby here. Here a bear. Here a bear.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Bah.
Let us now use test crosses to demonstrate Old MacDonald's results. His first experiment involved one purebred black sheep and one purebred white sheep, which resulted in all black lambs. For this experiment, he determined that the black color trait was dominant. For this test cross, we would let big B represent the dominant black color trait and let little b represent the recessive white colored trait. Since the black sheep is a purebred, his alleles would be big B, and the white purebred sheep would be little b. One parent's set of alleles would be placed at the top of the Punnett square, and the other parent's alleles would be placed on the left-hand side. Now we perform the crossing of alleles. As we perform the cross test, we would notice two things: that both parents have homozygous alleles, meaning that both alleles for each parent is for the same trait, and that each parent would donate one allele each to their offspring, making the lambs heterozygous. For his second experiment, it involved two black parent sheep, which produced 3 black lambs and 1 white lamb. For this experiment, he determined that the black colored trait was dominant, but the white colored trait was recessive in both parents. For this test cross, we would let big B represent the dominant black colored trait and let little b represent the recessive white colored trait. Since both parent sheep would have the recessive white trait, their alleles would both be big B, little b. As we perform the cross test, we would notice two things. That both parents have heterozygous alleles, meaning that both parents have both alleles that correspond for both colored traits. We would also notice that the white lamb would inherit the recessive white colored allele from both parents.
For Old MacDonald's third experiment, he mated 2 black spotted sheep and noticed that some of the offspring were black with spots, others were black without spots, and one was white with spots. He determined that both traits for color black and spots were the dominant traits in both parents. He also determined from the offspring that both traits for color white and no spots were recessive in both parents. As before, for the color traits, Old MacDonald let big B represent the dominant black colored trait and little b to represent the recessive white trait. For the spotted trait, he let big S represent the dominant spotted allele and little s to represent the recessive not spotted allele. Based on the parent sheep phenotype, Old MacDonald deduced that the following possible combinations of genotypes for each trait were as follows. Big B, big S, little b, big S, big B, big S, big B, little s. He also determined that the same traits would be for the other parent sheep. And perform the following cross test.